Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet White. Here I am going to show how to make caramel bread pudding. This is really very easy to make and an actual dessert for your kids. You can make this yummy good looking dessert for your kids. These are the ingredients for preparing pudding. Take a pan and add 1/4 cup of sugar. Caramelize the sugar. Wait until dark brown. Immediately transfer into a 6-inch pan and spread evenly. Take 5 pieces of bread and cut into small pieces. Take a bowl and add 3 eggs. Next add 1/3 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Beat well. Take another bowl and add 2 cups of milk. Next add small pieces of bread and soak it. After that, beat the mixture. Next, add the egg mixture and half teaspoon of vanilla essence into it. Mix well. Stir the mixture into that pudding pan. cover it. Pour some hot water into a pan and place a stand. Place the mold and steam it on a medium flame for 20 to 30 minutes. Bring it in room temperature and keep it in fridge for 2 hours. This is very quick and easy recipe with bread. This is also very less ingredient recipe. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.